Mga kapuso, proud sa kanyang dugong Pinoy ang Philippine basketball player at ngayon number 2 pick sa 2025 NBA Draft na si Dylan Harper. Binigyang pugay niya ang suporta ng kanyang mga magulang na gaya niya'y lumikha rin ang sariling marka sa kaparehong larangan. Nakatutok si Martin Javier.
Mga kapuso, dito sa Barclays Center sa Brooklyn, New York, naganap ang 2025 NBA Draft at kabilang sa mga napili ay ang Filipino-American player na si Dylan Harper.
With the second pick in the 2025 NBA Draft, the San Antonio Spurs select Dylan Harper.
Dream come true para kay Dylan ang opisyal na mapabilang sa prestigyosong liga. Wala rin namang nagulat dahil sa galing na pinakita niya sa isang taon niya sa Rutgers University at pag-average ng 19 points per game sa nakaraang collegiate season. Bukod dyan, lumaki sa isang basketball family si Dylan na mula sa New Jersey. Anak siya ni Ron Harper, 5-time NBA champion at parte ng Chicago Bulls dynasty noong 90s. Ang Filipino mom naman na si Maria Pizarro Harper, former women's basketball player turned coach. Siya ang naging gabay ni Dylan sa buhay at basketball.
My mom coached me from first grade to like senior year of high school, so it's definitely her. My mom always tells me keep the main thing. So basically like, go worry about basketball, like we can take care of the rest. But I mean, that's really stuck with me just because it allows me, work on my craft and work on the things that really matter.
Si Maria rin ang nagpakilala sa kanyang Filipino side. Hindi kasi siya lumaki sa Pilipinas, bagaman nagpaplanong magpunta sa bansa.
My mom's from there, so I mean, I pay great homage to them. Just everything that my mom kind of preaches and tells us about it has been great. So I would definitely love to get out there sometime next year and just really rep the culture.
At nang tanungin kung willing siyang maglaro para sa bansa.
Who knows what the world brings? I mean, I would never say no, but I mean, if it happens, it happens.
Next Filipino-American star in the NBA, ito lang ang masasabi niya.
I mean, it definitely is surreal just because, my mom's family history, my family background, and just all the efforts that her family put into me, and just me wanting to rep them and just wanting to be out there and just show my colors and show truly who I am. So it's definitely great.
Para sa GMA Integrated News, ako si Martin Javier, nakatutok 24 oras.